How to get a W-2 from H&R Block? Employers must send W-2s to employees by 31st January each year. They may be mailed or delivered electronically. If you haven't received yours by early February, contact your employer's payroll or HR department right away. H&R Block offers a W-2 early access service where, if your employer is in their network, you can request your W-2 online and pick it up at a local office at no cost. If it still hasn't arrived, ask your employer to resend. If that fails, contact the IRS at 800-829-1040 and they'll issue Form 4852, substitute W-2, for filing purposes. Use Form 4852 only if absolutely necessary. Amend your return later if needed. If you filed with H&R Block online, sign into your MyBlock account, use the same email password. Go to Prior Years under the Taxes section. You'll have access to returns and W-2s from the last 6 years. Thanks for watching.